Well, I'm Alex. I'm back here with the diesel-powered lawnmower, and what we're going to do today is we're going to pull off this upper hose connection here. It goes down on the top of the block, similar to a small block Chevy. It's right on top. It's convenient. There is going to be some water, but that's all that's in it. I brought my trusty impact today. Wonder if I'll need to take that off. Nope, not yet. Let's keep seeing how well that goes. All right. And it's just 2 bolts here. All right, well, I'm gonna have to take that hose clamp off. Oh well. Is that a standard quarter? All right. Whoops. Done dropped my impact. There she goes. Now all these tools that I'm using are easy enough to get your hands on. It's just a 20-volt DeWalt impact, and then this is just a cheap socket set from Harbor Freight. No, I'm sorry, not Harbor Freight. Tractor Supply. Let's see here. Where's my little ratchet? There she goes. Now, in most cases, hose clamps are going to be standard, at least here in America. Alrighty. You know, I hope the sound's been a lot better for my videos lately. I've been doing what I can. I got a new microphone set and stuff. Since I've started the channel, I've got the new camera stands and stuff. This is my second camera stand, actually. And been working on the photo, too. Got better video than I used to have, and I just dropped that hose clamp. Darn it. There we go. Now there is going to be a gasket on this. Try and not drop that. And there is no hose clamp, not hose clamp, there is not a thermostat in this. That might be why it was overheating. You see, what happens is, when you don't have a thermostat, it flows too quickly, and it doesn't have time to pass through the radiator to cool it down, thereby overheating you. Well, I'll do some more video on this in the future when we get the parts and stuff. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. God bless.